The weather was forecast to be clear and cold. Ice had accumulated on the launch pad during the night. The air temperature at launch was 36 degrees Fahrenheit. This was 15 degrees colder than any previous launch. 6.6 seconds before launch, Challenger's liquid-fueled main engines were ignited in sequence and run up to full thrust. Thrust from the main engines bends the shuttle stack. When it returned to vertical, the solid rocket boosters ignited. After the initial pre-release twang motion, structural forces on the assembly are dissipated through vibration at a rate of 3 cycles per second during the first few seconds of flight. This greatly exaggerated computer animation depicts the flexing of the SRB joint. This flexing increased the gap between the tang and clevis at the location of 2 rubber O-ring seals. At 0.678 seconds into the flight, a strong puff of gray smoke can be seen spurting from the vicinity of the aft field joint on the right solid rocket booster. The vaporized material streaming from the joint indicates there was not complete sealing action within the joint. This second view is from camera E60. The smoke can be seen between the right SRB and the external tank, and initially moves in the upward direction. The multiple smoke puffs occurred at a rate of about 4 times per second, approximating the frequency of the structural load dynamics and resultant joint flexing. A third, higher resolution camera recorded this view of the smoke at approximately the same time of maximum development. Smoke appears to the right side of the SRB only, while normal water condensation vapors appear to the left. The Presidential Commission concluded that the cause of the Challenger accident was the failure of the pressure seal in the aft field joint of the right solid rocket motor. As indicated on these pre-flight photos, the smoke emerged from just above the strut, between the SRB and ET, at a point along the longitudinal axis near the aft field joint. Film records of the assembly of the solid rocket booster were reviewed to determine any evidence of cause for the smoke. No evidence of O-ring defects was observed in any of the stacking photography. The hole in the solid rocket booster segments was the result of the joint leakage on the right-hand SRB, which was determined to be the cause of the accident.